Yo, 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 welcome guys. Today is the 30th. As you can see there, it is in the evening and it is May 30th. And I wanted to log into my Max Bounty here. Here we go. And as you can see, today was awesome and this month was awesome. So I was waiting to do this on the 30th here. And I wanted to show you guys how powerful this is. Here we are. It's just crazy. And you know what I'm doing is paid traffic plus free traffic. And I was waiting this month to show you guys the final result. After 30 days, I was going to show you what I did, and boom. And it's very powerful. It's always my goal to reach $50,000 every single month. And I'm starting to do that more and more and more. And it's awesome. It's changing my life. I have opportunities and things I can do that are just amazing. And, the freedom, the lifestyle, everything is amazing. Let me refresh the screen real quick. And let me refresh again. And as you see, everything's the same and it's great. So basically, super, super powerful. And I wanted to just explain to you, like, I'm not the smartest person in the world. And I never went to college. I was bullied in junior high growing up because I was basically pretty dumb. I wasn't very smart. I was born deaf because the fact that I just simply was. I was born deaf, and so grew up basically not super smart. Basically behind the learning curve is what I'm trying to say. Been very depressed in my life, but I made it all work, and with the hope through the hard times that I could make money online. Literally, I was obsessed with that. Okay, I still love it. Always learning every single day, over 6 hours per day, and become a learning machine, and you can make things happen in your life. It's totally possible to make money online, is what I'm trying to say. This can prove it's possible. And straight up, if you guys want to learn the secrets, go check out my courses, bro. They'll change your life. Put a ton of time into them. I got the truth in them all, and they're super powerful. They teach you the ways that work. Unlike all these other courses, I reviewed a ton of courses, and all of them suck. Mine is the best out there, and I've taken thousands of courses, and I combined all my knowledge into all these courses. So if you want to get in those, that's my knowledge of how I make this happen. And it's totally possible is what I'm trying to say. And I'm not smart, and you can totally do this. And all you got to know is just the knowledge. Okay, so I'll see you inside. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.